Hello guys, shall we get cooking? Seems like backup just went and started the cooking part. Okay, this is going to be the first video from the cooking series. Although, to be honest, I did cook the thing I'm going to and I failed pretty bad. Otherwise, the cooking will be out sooner. But, let's see. So, the book is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the official cookbook. And the page is, let's see, it's number 43. And the recipe is actually popcorns. And that's pretty good because in a few hours I'm going to be streaming and those popcorns are actually going to be really sweet for the Witcher stream when we finally, hopefully, will find out what actually happened with him. And Backup is back saying that he prepared the ingredients and we are good to go. So the recipe I'm going to do is Kettle corn, which is basically a sweet-ish sort of popcorns, sugar and table of Saka Salt. And the Saka Salt recipe is right here. Basically is 2 tablespoons of red salt and 2 tablespoons of Garam Masala, which I will post the recipes for both those things in the description below, but you can find them in the internet as well. So I want to say sorry in advance, but I'll have to go outside on my stove, I hope that's the correct word, to cook the popcorns because I tried yesterday on my multi-cooker and it did not work as expected. So I'm going to be jump cutting and we are going to start. So let's go. Okay guys, unfortunately it's way too bright. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this thing here. And here's my pan. Here's my ingredients. I need sugar, oil, and corn. So what we basically need to do, let's first turn the thingy on, must be this, on a medium heat. I assume it will be number 2 for me. And then we need to pour the oil in. It's pretty simple. I hope you hear me okay because it's so damn loud out here. So we're pouring the oil with the sugar and the corn. Okay. We're closing the lid and we're shaking it. And we're waiting for it to start popping. We're giving them a little shake and that's what happens. Sweet. Now there is just one more step into the recipe, so let's go finish it. Okay guys, those are the final results of the popcorn. Now all we need to do is put 1 teaspoon of Saka salt. So I'm going to sprinkle it on top, just little by little. Wow, that's a lot of salt. And I'm going to try and mix it. Let's give it a try. I'll try and find some that's less sprinkled. I'll try this one. Hot. Okay, let's give it a try. To be honest, they're not the best. Definitely not looking as the picture. And you don't actually need as much oil as they ask you to put. They ask for 1/4 cup of oil. You will do it 1/8. because look how much I have left. You maybe did something wrong. Let me give it a try. Yeah, they're sort of okay, if we don't count the fact that they're stuck together as one big piece and there is no way of you to mix it. Maybe I did it wrong. I had to mix it while they were still hot inside the pan. But yeah, so that's how we make them, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by liking, comment and subscribe if you haven't. If you're watching the video now as of Sunday, make sure you join my stream in 2 o'clock UTC and 3 o'clock my time, which is in a few minutes, hours. Anyway, thanks for watching again, enjoying the popcorns, and see you for another video. Bye bye, guys. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show you the one that I made yesterday in my air fryer, and I decided I didn't do something correct because they came out pretty brown. But after I finished the one today, I realized that this actually how they're supposed to turn out. So yeah, you can do them in the air fryer. They definitely doesn't look exactly like the picture, not even close, but you can play around. Maybe you need bigger heat or preheat the oil before you pop the corns and the sugar, or I don't know what you actually need to do, but following the recipe is what I get, and it's not as in the book picture. And if I put coloring, it will look, well, I don't know what it turned out to be if I put coloring, but it will be definitely interesting. Anyway, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the popcorns and see you for the stream. Bye bye.